The Wilks TX850 pressure washer, which I bought off you, fed by a tank with a water supply, so there's no problem with it. The water feed not having enough flow rate, which you can see I put above the machine as you told me to. Not that that's particularly useful if you're taking it from a pond. So it's all set up. Connected it down here, put this valve at maximum pressure, but look, that's how it came, pretty shit, but yeah, so it's at maximum pressure, it's all the way down, turned all the way clockwise. I'll turn that on. 1 second. Fantastic, it's not dying now. So it's turned on and running. And as you can see, absolutely no pressure, just trickles at the end. Second time this one's done this. Second machine that you've sent me, second time it's done exactly the same thing.